Hey there. Are you tired of not looking your best on Zoom calls? Want to feel confident and stand out during your online meetings? Let's dive into 5 simple steps to enhance your appearance using video filters. With remote work becoming the norm, looking good on video calls is essential. A polished appearance can boost your confidence and help you come across as more professional to colleagues and clients. Using video filters can make you look sharp and engaged, enhancing your virtual interactions. 1. Video filters can range from basic brightness adjustments to fun effects. Start by exploring the options in your video conferencing tool. A good lighting filter can significantly enhance your presentation. Point 2. Good lighting is key. Ensure your face is well lit, whether you're using a filter or not. Natural light works wonders. Position yourself facing a window, or consider investing in a ring light for optimal results. Point 3. Distractions in your background can divert attention from you. Most platforms offer a blur feature, or you can replace your background with something more professional that aligns with the tone of your meeting. Point 4. Many video platforms allow you to soften your appearance or reduce shine on your skin. Feel free to adjust these settings to improve your look without going overboard. Point 5. Always do a test run before important meetings to ensure your filters are working correctly and that you're satisfied with how you look on camera. Be cautious not to overuse filters that can make you look unnatural. The goal is to enhance your appearance, not completely change it. Also, position your camera at eye level for a more flattering angle. And there you have it. Looking amazing on Zoom is just 5 simple steps away. Ready to give it a shot? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips for looking great on video calls in the comments below. 1. Hey there. Have you ever noticed how some people look fantastic during their online meetings? The secret might just be video filters. Today, we're diving into how these handy tools can elevate your virtual presence. Point 2. As remote work becomes more common, looking your best on video calls is increasingly important. A good video filter can enhance your appearance, boost your confidence, and project professionalism. Let's face it, who wouldn't want to stand out among colleagues? 3. First up, let's talk about lighting. The right lighting can make a world of difference. Filters can brighten your face and give you a vibrant look, mimicking natural light to help you appear less like a shadow and more like a star. Next, consider background effects. Some filters blur your background, allowing you to focus on the conversation rather than any clutter behind you. This keeps your meeting professional and distraction-free. Another exciting feature is color enhancement. Certain filters can add a splash of color to your video, making it lively and engaging. This really helps showcase your personality during those monotonous meetings. Then there's skin smoothing. Some filters soften your skin tone, reducing the appearance of blemishes or fatigue. You'll be amazed at how a small adjustment can significantly boost your confidence. Lastly, let's not forget the fun effects. Some filters let you add playful elements, lightening the mood and making virtual interactions more enjoyable. Remember, a little fun can go a long way. 4. 1. Ensure you're using a video conferencing tool that supports filters, like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. 2. Before your meeting, take a moment to browse through the available filters. 3. Conduct a quick test call to see how the filters look and adjust based on your surroundings. 4. Once you find your favorite filters, save them for future meetings to save time. 5. While filters can enhance your appearance, choose ones that still feel true to you. 5. One major mistake is going overboard. Using too many filters can make you look unnatural, so stick to the basics to ensure you still come across as yourself. Also, don't forget to check your internet connection. Some filters can slow down your video quality, making you appear choppy instead of clear. 6. So there you have it. Video filters can truly transform your online meetings and help you shine. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on tech gadgets and how to enhance your virtual presence. https://clipchamp.com and blog video trends 2025 rep 6C0D3FD7B55377C95682F6B4B968 are your online meetings feeling a bit dull? You're not alone. With remote work on the rise, many of us are searching for ways to stand out and engage better in virtual settings. As we navigate a world filled with virtual meetings, connecting with colleagues and clients is crucial. Many people report feelings of loneliness while working remotely, so enhancing our online presence can help break down those barriers, making our meetings more enjoyable and productive. 1. Begin by exploring the video filters available on platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. These filters can improve your lighting and background, helping you look more professional. A well-lit environment can significantly boost engagement. 2. Virtual backgrounds can transform a plain space into something captivating. Whether you opt for a beach scene or a cozy office, a great background keeps the focus on you and makes meetings feel less monotonous. 3. Bring some excitement to your meetings with special effects. A quirky filter or a fun frame can lighten the mood. Adding a touch of creativity can help bridge the engagement gap in virtual meetings. 4. Natural light is your best friend. If you find yourself looking a bit shadowy, consider using extra lighting or positioning yourself near a window. Good lighting can make a big difference in how you come across. 5. Before your important meeting, take time to test your filters and settings. This helps you discover what works best and avoids any last-minute surprises. 1. Open your meeting platform and explore the available video filters.